Hello everyone, welcome to another really quick video. Today I will show you best Shopify apps for print on demand. Now if you want to start print on demand, if you want to sell mugs or maybe t-shirts with your own branding on them, then you can check out these apps. Now first app on this list is called Printify. Now Printify is by far another well-known print on demand platform on Shopify for you to consider. Now they have more than 500,000 merchants that are running a print-on-demand business using Printify as a service. Now this is all-in-one print-on-demand solution. As you can see, you can easily add your design to a wide range of products. You have mugs, you have caps right here, you have hoodies as well, a lot of different things that you can sell. And they handle actually the fulfillment, so all you have to do is just connect your store. You can also connect Etsy as well as Walmart, BigCommerce, Squarespace, Wix, and WooCommerce, and other other platforms where you're going to sell your branded or print-on-demand t-shirts or stuff like that. So your outstanding features are that they have catalog of 900 products, best product costs on the market. It's easy to use mockup generator, allows you to basically get and have largest global print network, so you can actually print on your t-shirts and on your products. And yeah, basically it's very easy to use. They have automating syncing with your online store, so it's one of the best and easiest to use apps for print on demand on the market. Now second one is called Printful. Now Printful is basically a very similar app or very similar platform, and is one of the top rated print on demand dropshipping and warehouse services on Shopify App Store. Now Printful promises to take care of your print on demand business from A to Z with all the heavy lifting such as inventory, equipment, shipping, and will be done by experienced teams. So as you can see, this is how the Printful looks in behind the scenes. You can see what you can do with Printful. You can obviously create a product template, design tools and mockups, and much more. So you have product personalization as well, and this is free to install, but obviously Printful will charge for users for orders, fulfillment, and shipping. Another great platform if you want to start print on demand. Now third on this list is called Printi6. Now this is not such a big platform, but as you can see, Printi6 is by Snap Printing. This is a company that create Printi6. Now print on demand service for Shopify business. It provides a wide range of available products, including canvas shoes, sneakers, bedding sets, watches, and many more. So your only job is to concentrate on making unique designs. Once your shop gets any order, it will be sent to Printi6 automatically, and they will manufacture, pack, and deliver the design items globally. So again, you can do a lot of different things with this. It's pretty much the same as Printful and Printify. Now, if I wanted to recommend one single app for print on demand, it would be Printify, and it would be Printful, and then Printi6. So this is how I would go and rank these. Printify is by far the best on the market. So if you want to check something out for print on demand, this is the platform to check it out. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next Shopify video.